In just a few hours, the Deep Ellum bar Rodeo Dallas set to find out if it'll be open and serving drinks this weekend after getting locked out not once but twice last week. Thank you for joining us this midday. I'm Mark Histook. It is 11 o'clock. That case set to be in court this afternoon, and our Natalie Haddad has all the latest.
The property group looking to keep Rodeo Dallas closed say this is the epicenter of all of the crime in the Deep Ellum neighborhood. However, this bar and restaurant say that everything bad connected to it didn't even happen on its property. Now, Rodeo Dallas is going to go before a judge today. They are asking the court to lift a restraining order that's kept its doors chained shut. The bar was closed last week. It briefly reopened, then it shuttered again. 2 days later, they are trying to open it back up. A sign on the door cited lease violations for the closures, but representatives of Rodeo Dallas argue that they can only control what happens inside and say more than a dozen crimes linked to the bar actually happened elsewhere, off the premises. Now, the temporary restraining order filed by a real estate investment firm that owns several Deep Ellum properties claims Rodeo Dallas is home to, quote, unfettered violence, drug use, displays of firearms, underage drinking, excessively loud music, massive uncontrollable crowds, and murder. Now, as we would have it, neighboring businesses to Rodeo Dallas here in Deep Ellum say that it being closed is actually a win for them. However, patrons that we spoke to say they are really going to miss Rodeo Dallas if those doors do in fact have to stay closed. The two go to court today in Dallas at 2:30 this afternoon. We will give you an update on what comes of that in our evening newscasts. The Rodeo Dallas, the fate in the hands of a judge now. I'll send it back to you in studio.